Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on XLM. At one side on the daily time frame chart, Bitcoin has broken down this up channel. You can see that for the past several days, almost for past 38 days, it was moving inside this up channel. We had a bounce here, several touch points here, by the way. Then we got rejection here, almost had another bounce here, rejection, bounce, another bounce here. And after this rejection that was happening here on 17th of December 2024, now recently, the price line has broken down the support and now it is dropped down at this long-term support of $92,000. That was previously breaking as a support here, and before that, for several days, it has been breaking as a resistance here and almost as a support here as well. If we take a look at the smaller time frame, on a 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that at the moment the price line is bounced. And for example, if the price line breaks it down, then it can hit the target for the breakdown from this channel. That is, by the way, here at the bottom of the channel, approximately at $85,000. And over there, we have another support. And on the other hand, if we take a look at the XLM's daily time frame chart, then here you can see that it was moving inside this possible bull flag. I was showing you in my previous video that this can be a possible bull flag formation because it was getting accumulated at 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. And now if I place this Fibonacci tool from this low to here, then you can see that now it has retraced more than that, and now it is moved at golden pocket at 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and it has broken down this level of 0.382 Fibonacci retracement. Therefore, this bull flag is now invalidated. However, there is still a possible down channel formation. You can see that we had a bounce here, so many rejections by the resistance, then we had another bounce here, and now if we will have another third touch point at the support and we will have another bounce from here from this downtrend and support, then this down channel formation on the daily time frame chart will be confirmed. However, this bull flag is now invalidated, and now the price and can also test this long-term support zone that starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. That is a quite long-term support zone. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this support zone that starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents has been breaking as a resistance zone here and resistance zone here, and for several weeks it has been breaking as a support zone here as well. Therefore, again, it can break as a strong support for the price line. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost for more than 400% rally. This was a quite long-term trade signal because this move was formed on the monthly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my quite long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. And that was a very, very huge harmonic bullish reversal Gartler pattern that Stellar formed on the monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. Therefore, this was a quite long-term trade signal. And the sell targets that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartler pattern start from 42.3 cents and goes to 66.81 cents. And you can see when I shared the signal at that time, it was moving approximately at 12 cents, 12.7 cents. Now, if I play this chart, and you can see that the price has started a very, very massive reversal from this buying zone. And so far, it has rallied almost up to 63.74 cents. And it is almost a more than 400% rally. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me take you here on this daily time frame chart of Bitcoin. And here you can see that for the past almost 38 days, it was moving inside this up channel. You can see that we had stable touch points here, rejection here, almost had another bounce here, rejection, bounce, another bounce, almost two more touch points here, then two more rejections here, and finally the price and has broken down the support of this channel. And recently you can see that the price is bounced from this quite strong support of $92,000 that was recently breaking as a support here, and for a few days it has been breaking as a resistance here as well. At the same time, on the daily time frame chart, you can see that Stochastic is also getting oversold. It is entering the oversold zone. Therefore, there is a probability that we may see some price correction from here. The price and may retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support of the channel as a resistance. And after another rejection, the price and may hit the target. So the breakdown from this channel, that target is by the way here at the bottom of the channel, approximately at $85,000. And over there, we also have another support. Here, by the way, we found the support here on 12th of November 2024. And now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart of Stellar, then here we also have a possible formation of a down channel. We have two touch points here at the support. In fact, we have more than two touch points. If we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that we had a bounce here, and bounce here, and now the pricing is about to hit the support of this down channel once again. So the support is quite confirmed now. And here we have so many rejections by the resistance as well. But if the price line breaks down the next support of $92,000 and goes to to hit the target for the breakdown from this up channel, approximately here at $85,000, then there will be a probability that the price line may break down the support of this down channel. Despite this is a bullish bias pattern, but the price line can break it down. However, it is also possible that the price line may continue this move to that downside inside this channel, and while moving inside this channel and testing the support and resistance, or moving at the support of the channel to the downside, it may break down or try to break down this long-term support zone that starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. And for example, if the price line of Stellar will be bounced from this support of the channel, then it can hit the resistance somewhere here, approximately at 36 cents. By the way, we have also broken down this very strong and long-term support that I've been showing in my previous videos. That was here at 40 cents, and now it can be also flipped into a strong resistance for the price line of Stellar. By the way, the technical target in case of breaking out the resistance of this channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 63 cents. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And by the way, I've been showing you this wedge for the past almost 2 years, and I've been telling you that once Stellar will be able to break out this wedge, then the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge, approximately somewhere between 80 cents to $1. And you can see that the price and it's almost about to hit that target. So far, it has rallied almost up to 63.74 cents. Now, if we take a look at the monthly time frame chart, then here, Stellar has formed a very big ascending triangle. By the way, we found the support here in the month of July 2017. We found the resistance here in the month of January 2018. Then we had another bounce, rejection, bounce, and the price and is once again rejected. And now after this rejection, the price and is breaking down this long-term support of 40 cents. And now there is a probability that we may test this support, that the complete support zone that starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart once again, then here you can see that if the price then will test the support zone that starts from 25 to 26, 27 to 25 cents, then it can also test the support of this down channel as well. But in case of breaking down this support zone that goes to 25 cents, it can again drop down at the support of this big ascending triangle, and it can test the support somewhere here approximately at 10 or 11 cents. And in case of breaking out this triangle, you can see that the movement is quite squeezed, therefore soon it can break this pattern. And for example, if the price then breaks out the resistance of this triangle, then long-term target for this breakout will be here. That will be approximately somewhere between $48 to $50. That will be a quite long-term move, by the way. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.